Hi everyone, welcome to Cosedora nail art. I'm Lady, and today in this fast tutorial I will show you how can we use maze nail art stencils, because we have to be careful and patient when we are using them because of the thin and delicate lines, and things like this can happen, but no worries, just stretch up again, trying not to get those lines to touch each other's. We are going to apply this over our dry nail polished nails and press firmly. As I told you, this requires a little bit of patience. Place and press firmly. Now we are going to apply nail polish. You can do whatever you want, gradient, smooshy, water marble, but the important thing is that you have to remove the nail art stencil immediately, carefully and following the pattern on the stencil. Then just do a little bit of cleaning and sealing. Now you have a beautiful and easy to do design with the stencils. This maze design is available in the 433 swirl collection. I am leaving the link to the product in the description if you want to buy it from our Amazon store. See you the next time. Bye!